So now we need to go to plugins to install the Elementor plugin and the Asta plugin. So you can select coming soon, or you can just scroll down to your left and select install plugins. Select add new plugin, search for Elementor. So this is the one that we want, Elementor website builder. So select install and then select activate. Now search for Asta Sites. Select add new plugin again and search for Asta Sites. So you want to install starter templates, right? This will give you a bunch of pre-built websites that you can select a template from and install it on your website and then customize it to suit your needs. So select install. So this will literally do all the trick for you in terms of developing your website. So select activate. So you can use the AI website builder or the classic starter template. So I'm going to be using the build with template option. So the builder I'll be using is Elementor. That is the one that we previously installed. So now you need to choose a template that matches your vision, whether it be a blog, portfolio, or even an e-commerce website. Now if you scroll to the top, you'll see that you have the option to filter for different categories. So I'll be filtering for a blog. Once you have decided on your theme, select it. If you have your site logo at hand, you can upload it here. So I'm just going to select continue. These are some features that you can add to your website. So I'm going to keep the page builder, the contact form. I'm going to add the automation and integration. And here you can even add a sales funnel to your website, right? So I'm just going to select continue. This information is optional, so select I understand and select submit and build my website. So this will take a few minutes to complete. The installation was complete, so select view your website. And this is what your website will basically look like, a pre-built website. Now all you need to do going forward is just edit the information to add whatever details you need and bring it to life based on your creativity.